Before the use of plastic, Earth's environment was pristine, characterized by natural materials and minimal synthetic pollution. However, plastic has become a pervasive root cause of many issues. Plastic pollution has become a scourge upon our environment. India, with a population of more than 1.4 billion, generates 26,000 tons of plastic waste every day. It has saturated oceans, disrupting aquatic life and degraded not only water bodies but also land through landfills, rendering it infertile for plants to grow. This contributes to deforestation, leading to global warming. Plastic is therefore a societal curse, exacerbated by significant waste from the cosmetic industry. The global cosmetics market generated approximately $341.1 billion in 2020, and it's expected to grow to $560.50 billion by 2030. When students of Enactus Rajdhani notice this problem of cosmetic waste, we unlock the ancient wisdom of neem wood, a secret to sustainable beauty care hidden in the annals of ancient Indian history with our project Arisht, the combined treatment for both hair and environment.
The team of Enactus Rajdhani brought the idea of manufacturing neem combs in January 2022 and launched the project in October 2022 with a lot of hustle and bustle. The journey started from the furniture markets of Kirtinagar to the IM Corporation in Okla.
Neem combs represent a sustainable and responsible choice for your hair care routine. The advantages of these natural materials extend beyond personal benefits, offering a positive impact on the environment, local communities, and cultural heritage.
Do you even know how much plastic is produced in a year on this planet? The answer is over 350 million metric tons of plastic is produced every single year worldwide, among which 6 tons is produced for plastic combs of capacity 3 lakh number. The plastic combs market size value is $653.1 million in 2021, and the growth rate is 8% from 2021 to 2031. Have you ever wondered why plastic combs create such hair problems? Because plastic combs are widely used in the world, but the people are unaware about the issues created by these plastic combs made by module polypropylene chemicals. These combs release toxic chemicals that harm scalp and hair health. The pointed bristles and rough plastic edges cause irritation, dandruff, and other scalp-related issues. Also pull and sand your hair. Whereas Arisht, which helps in detangling and keep the hair soft and frizz-free. It also helps in stimulating blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair growth. Neem's natural antimicrobial properties can help combat dandruff and various scalp issues.
Neem wood combs are a great alternative of plastic combs, which have a lot of health benefits than creating harm to the hair. Arisht is a symbol of elegance and sustainability which unleashed the power of nature in our hair with captivating and eco-friendly packaging.
By its operations, Arisht has impacted numerous lives of individuals. By using a neem wood comb like Arisht instead of a plastic comb, a single person can avoid generating up to 4 pounds of plastic in a single year.
Our targeted audience is students and teachers around the campus, salons, and cosmetic shops. At Arisht, we implement both B2B and B2C marketing strategies. Additionally, we also promote Arisht at the website of Enactus Rajdhani and handle our Instagram page and use of the latest social media trends to market and interact with our target audience. Success of Arisht earned us a total revenue of 28,000 in the financial year 2023 to 2024. We have a current market base in Mehrauli, Shahadra and Rajouri Garden, and most importantly, Arisht has expanded its reach from India to Switzerland by selling its neem wood combs.
We have collaborated with college societies and acted as gifting partners in their event. Participation in fests and events made our revenue profitable. To gain wider audience, we have also engaged in different college events to remark our branding. Neem wood combs were just the beginning at Arisht. We also introduced newspaper pencils and seed-embedded pens. Targeted audience of these products are stationery shops, students, and corporate officers. Customers praise the gentleness of our Arisht combs. It doesn't create breakage due to static force or tangles in hair.
Arisht fulfills 3 sustainable development goals: industry, innovation, and infrastructure, responsible consumption and production, life on land.
Our plans extend beyond selling neem wood combs to include a variety of neem wood personal care products such as brushes, hair care accessories, and eco-friendly grooming kits. We aim to expand our presence in more cities and rural areas, making our product accessible to a broader demographic. Strategic partnership with major online retailers, salons, spas, and wellness centers will enhance market penetration and brand visibility for sustainable gifting solutions through corporate partnership promoting eco-friendly practices. Continuous refinement based on customer feedback will help us improve product quality and introduce new features, ensuring we exceed customer experience.
Throughout this journey, the team of Enactus Rajdhani
has shown great commitment towards Project Arrest. Our hard work and dedication demonstrate that
one can achieve remarkable results and
Create a positive impact through innovation and sustainable practices.